Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's Asana Adventures here. We are doing another room tour of the Family Harbor, room 2493. This is a room set up for 3 people in the Family Harbor room. Come on in. So when you come in, it has the light switch with the card already in there. Are you good about turning your light on? My brother-in-law isn't here, so this is his room. To your right, when you come into the room, you have your desk area, your mirror with the illuminating light. We're not going to turn that on. 3 shelves for storage, your Carnival phone. Again, this room is 2 basic outlets, the Euro outlet and 2 USBs. But you can also bring an adapter if you have multiple devices. What I like about this room, it has a nice wide area here when you come in, so that's awesome. Here you have your stool. And then down here is your refrigerator. You also have a drawer with your hairdryer. When you come into the room, you have another table there. Again, this room has ample space, so you can store your luggage here like they do. Their shoes, magnetic hooks is awesome. You have my niece's bed here, which would normally be the couch, but again, it's a setup for 3 people. To your right here, you do have 4 closet doors. So in closet number 1, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. Like I said, we've been here for a few days, so you guys are going to see all our unpacked goodies. Here you have 2 more shelves, 3 drawers, as well as your safe. And on this door is your full-length mirror, so you can fit check, make sure you're on point. Then you have closet number 2, which has more hanging space, more storage space. They have their luggage in here, but again, you can always store your luggage under the bed, but that's an awesome option. They have their bed set up as a king-size bed, 2 lamps and nightstands on both sides. There's no plugs over here, but the doors do open. Come around this way. It is also an ocean view room, so you can sit up here. I think my niece fell asleep up here one day, or put the little couch cushions up. And then when we spin around here, say hi, Tori.
Hey, y'all.
When you go into the bathroom, again, it's your standard Carnival bathroom. The shower, toilet, 6 shelves, mirror, sink area. Again, you'll see the difference with the shower curtains because, again, this is a Family Harbor room. The carpeting in here is different as well as the bedding. And all of the hooks. So guys, now I'm going to take you to the lounge so that you can see what it's like having a Family Harbor room. Be back. All right, guys, so this is awesome about the Family Harbor rooms. You have access to this Family Harbor lounge. This is only for people in the Family Harbor area. So it's a cool hangout spot. So you do have to insert your sign and sell card in order to get in. Why isn't her card working? So come on in.
No, one of mine. No.
So
I got a secret way.
They do have a lounge area over here for the kids to sit in. It also has TVs if you just don't want to if you want to get away from the hustle and bustle of the Lido deck and everything going upstairs, and you're in this area, have a room in this area, you can hang out here. As you can see, sorry about the teens, but hey, they have a computer over there that you can access if you have the internet package, as well as video games for the kids to play on, so that, teen hangout area. So they have 2 different games that they can play. They have, what is that, NBA 2K going on.
Spyosaurus. Spyosaurus. It's hungry.
Then, sorry. You go over here, you have another computer. You also have this set up. So normally it's breakfast in here set up. So normally it's breakfast set up in here, as well as lunch and I think dinner sometimes. But if you don't want to go upstairs and you want to eat down here, this is a perfect option. Late night snacks for the kids. Has ice and water, all day coffee for my coffee drinkers out here, as well as your own private ice cream machine. So if your kids want ice cream in the middle of the night, you don't have to go upstairs to the Lido deck, and you're in these rooms, you have ice cream. So right now the buffet is closed, but it still has out apples and just certain fruit for the kids. And then we keep walking. They have a hand washing station because hand hygiene is perfect. They also have this time schedule here. So breakfast, C day, it tells you 7 to 10. Port day, 7 to 9. Port Carnival, that's when we get back at 6:30 to 8:30. Afternoon snacks, 3 to 5. And then evening, they have cookies. So that's awesome. They have seating over there. If you are going to eat down here. Then they have more seating over here, chill out, hang out spots. And then over here, over here they have another lounge area, as well as a TV for the kids to just hang out in here or watch a movie, just relax. I think this is an awesome option for families because it gives you the ability to get away from the hustle and bustle of the Lido deck and everything like that, just to be able to relax with your kids down here, especially if you have smaller kids. And it gives your kids access to some place that's just for them in case they want ice cream and you don't want them going all the way upstairs by themselves. So if you guys like my videos, enjoy this video, you thought it was informative, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications so that when I post a new video, you guys will be aware of it. And if you have any questions, drop me a comment below. I will also put my contact information in the description below because I am a travel agent and I would love to help you plan your next cruise, all-inclusive resort. Whatever your travel needs are, Asana Adventures can definitely handle it. Until next time, guys. Peace.